Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create an email template with ChatGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create email templates with ChatGPT, it's pretty much very simple. All you gotta do is simply go to ChatGPT. Once you tap on ChatGPT, you can simply tap on the Ask Anything section. Now to create email templates with ChatGPT, you need to simply start a detailed prompt defining the email's purpose, audience, key info like offers, call to actions, and brandings, and desired tone that is professional or casual. And then iterate with follow up prompts to refine the draft, asking for different tones, adding sections like footers or disclaimers, or even requesting HTML if needed. Letting it act as a versatile writing assistant for everything from sales to support emails. So you can simply give a very defining prompt to ChatGPT and it will create email templates within minutes. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.